Today's Wednesday. All the streets are flooded and I'm soaking wet. And it's going to do this clearing through Monday. I got to stop spraying the skies. Hey guys. 3 back-to-back storms. And I guess gotta buy stronger zip ties. Stormy weather. Hey, we got hail. Good thing I got Old Glory down for stupid rain. Stupid rain. I got soaked again. Yep. I was out in this for an hour and a half Wednesday. And I got soaked. Hey guys, that blast of rain was so bad it cleaned my gutter that I haven't cleaned. Laying there on the sidewalk. That's too funny. At least the rain did something good.